Hello friends, welcome back one more time on my YouTube channel Dr.Nilesh Advice. I hope you must be healthy, happy and hearty. Friends, our life is getting busier day by day and many times we forgetting our child's vaccination date. Many times hospital also doesn't remind us. So by this video, I am going to make you self-dependent as far as the child's vaccination schedule is concerned. These both applications set the vaccination schedule for your child and it will send you the reminder on your email as well as the SMS. I'm going to discuss two applications. One is dubainow application, which is very specific to the Dubai region of the UAE. And another vaccination which I'm going to show you is the vaccine reminder application, which is not specific to any countries because all the vaccine schedules are loaded in this reminder. To best view this video, I would advise you to watch this video in the mobile rather than the laptop. So without wasting time, let's go to both the application and I will show you how to operate that one and how it is sending the reminder on your mobile as well as in your email. Friends, this is dubainow application. I will tap on that one. We will go to the home page and we can see the health section here. We will tap on that one. Now you can see the second one, vaccination plan. Tap on that one. Now right upper corner you can see add child. You can add the child. Now I am adding the child ABC. Now I will put the date of the birth 2nd June 2020. Let's put it as let's do done. Let's change the gender of the child and let's save the child. You can see the child name is saved now. You can just tap on that one. Now you can see the full vaccination schedule here for you. You can see that first one June 2. Second vaccine will come in the August 2, then October 2, then December 2, then June 2021, December 2, 2021, then June 2, 2025. This is all complete schedule for your child and this is as per the DHA recommendation, mandatory vaccination schedule. The application send you reminder also whenever the vaccine is due, and once you will give the vaccine, you will mark as done. You will put the date there. So it will saved as a done. So this is very useful applications for the parents so that you cannot miss the vaccination. Now let's go back and I will show you the other features. At the home page you have so many other things you can do in this app, like this billing. So you have all the do, Etisalat, Deva, Enoch, all the billing you can do here. Then all your motor related things like your traffic fine, your salary, car, Enoch pump, all these things you can do. You can pay through this application to your fuel, and police inquiries, police stations, all these things. So this is quite useful application. Friends, previously I have shown one application, that is dubainow application. That application reads the schedule of the Dubai division of the UAE. Now the application which I am going to show you is applicable to all the countries. The application name is vaccine reminder. I am tapping on that one. Now you can see the home page of this application. While you download the application, you have to register it with your email ID. Now let's add the child. You have to enter the child's name here. I am entering ABC. In the country, you have to enter the country where you are staying and which vaccination schedule you are following. Suppose you are following the vaccination schedule of Armenia. So you will enter the Armenia as a country. Enter the email ID. You should enter the correct email ID because you will receive the notification on this email ID. If you want to receive the notification on your mobile number, you can enter your mobile number as well. Tap the enter. Now you have to enter the date of birth of your child. Now I am entering the date of birth 2nd July 2020. You can see the child age. Child age is 1 month and 1 day. Select the gender of the child and enter. Now you can see the child is added. You can see the first topmost row. You can see your child's complete schedule. 17th August will 6 vaccination will come. 2nd of October 6 vaccination will come. And 17th 11 also 5 vaccination will come. So this is as per that country's vaccination schedule. Now suppose you want to see the complete schedule of the child. You tap on the view all, tap on the child's name, go to the view schedule. See, you can see the complete vaccination schedule of your child. Now whatever vaccine you are giving, you have to enter that one. Like suppose hepatitis B1 and the BCG I am selecting, tapping on the syringe icon. Now you can see the hepatitis B BCG1. You can enter the date, like the today's date you are giving, put the next, and here you can put the note also, like given at XYZ doctor, or you want to add the address like in UAE. Done. Now give vaccine, so that it will be saved as a different color. That means this vaccine you have given. Suppose you want to delete your child's data from this one. You again tap on view all, go to your child name. On the rightmost corner you can see the edit button, add it on that one, and here you can delete the child name from the application. So it is very easy, and the application is sending the reminder on your mobile as well as on the email.